Hello team, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about position related important points. Okay, so this video particularly focusing on all the topics related to positions in Oracle HCM Cloud implementation. So most of the important interview questions we have discussed in this video. Okay, please don't skip the video till the end. Okay, thank you. So what are the important points? I'll ask one by one. Position. Okay. Ayushman, when you remember position, what is the first thing you will remember? One important point. Ayushman, are you there? Okay.
Sir, he's not there, sir, actually.
We need to business unit is the important point for the positions, to create a position.
Business unit is mandatory to create position. Okay. Very good point. So Ayushman, which you will
Yes, sir.
remember, already one point is covered. What you will remember when something came into your mind respect to position?
So position job, sir,
Okay.
and location.
No. With respect to job, what is the relationship?
With respect to job.
Yes. Position is
Yes.
a specific instance in a particular view which inherits all the job features or job profile, which inherits all the job features. Position is a specific instance of a job in a particular business unit which inherits all the job features. Okay. Okay, good. Amani, what you will remember when you got an idea about position in your brain?
Yes, sir. I can remember like department, FT, headcounts, effective dates important, like
I want one proper single answer.
department, sir.
Okay, department.
Yeah.
Department. Apart from that,
And apart from that, FT, headcount also important too.
department and department
Eh,
job.
Job, FT and
Headcount.
headcount. Effective dates, sir.
Yeah, effective date is everything. For everything, it's
Mhm.
effective
Okay,
date.
then
Effective date. There we cannot create anything. So
yeah,
these are the
status,
mandatory
sir.
fields.
Yeah. Any reports we can add.
No. In terms of mandatory fields,
Huh.
right?
Two shifts. Okay.
Bandita, when you think about positions, what is the one important thing that will come to your mind apart from these three? Role means
Position role.
no. Well, just think. Yesterday we have discussed multiple points, right? Just tell any one single point. Okay, fine, no problem. Take your time. Okay, you are just
Yes.
fresher or just graduated and you just joined. Okay, just go through the video once and again next I'll ask sometimes like this. Well, yesterday I have discussed some important subject. I'll ask what you'll remember, what you have practiced. Just tell me one important point. Okay, this is kind of an exercise. Okay. Deepika, what you'll remember, one important point when you think about positions apart from the above?
Budgeting and your position control via incumbent.
Yeah, budgeting.
You have position control or position tracking via incumbent. And your position synchronization.
Yeah, I'm not able to hear you. Something problem with your mic.
Yeah, position control that we do via incumbent field.
Correct.
And the position synchronization.
Okay.
Yeah, automation. Like here we can automatically have assignment details.
Yeah, Vamsi Reddy. So which one single important point you will remember when you think about position? Vamsi, are you there? Yeah, Romy, what you'll remember when you think about positions?
There can be multiple positions within a business unit,
Very good.
and it's an expense.
Multiple.
Like it's always associated with cost center.
Yeah, multiple positions in a
Business unit.
given.
Yes. So,
Very good. Valid point. Yeah, very good, Romy. Yeah. Yeah, Sarita. Which point you will remember when you think about positions apart from the above?
Sir, hiring status like approved, frozen, and proposed.
The status is covered already.
Okay. Even the cost center part also covered. Great. Hello?
Yeah, what you are telling?
Great, sir.
Like all the workforce structures, like location, grade.
Location, department,
The department I covered here. We covered here. Location, grade.
location and grade.
Yeah, location. Any other workforce structures or any other attributes you want to add here?
That's it, sir. That's it.
So, for me, I think everybody has I've asked everyone. Okay. Yeah. So apart from this, anyone want to say any other thing? Positions are tightly coupled with which enterprise structure?
Business unit.
First point we have covered there. Business
The
point.
first point is for creating a position, it's a business unit is a mandate. And while hiring an employee, positions are tightly coupled with the business unit. The context is different. While hiring an employee, positions are tightly coupled with a particular business unit. While creating the positions, business units are mandatory. Okay, so apart from this one, position profiles will associate position profile to positions. So everybody understood, right? Everybody remember?
Yes.
So what is this one? What is this one? This is an integration point between which modules?
Talent management profile.
Payroll.
Profile management.
Talent management and
ORC? No. Recruitment. You said recruitment, right? So I was linking.
no. Recruitment is different and global HR is different, Deepika. Don't get confused. Okay. I think I'm unable to hear your voice properly. Sometimes it's coming very low.
Okay, maybe mic issue. Okay, I'll check it.
Sorry. Hello.
Yes, sir. Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, it's very good. It's clear and audible.
Okay, I have changed the setting. Okay.
Yeah. So it's an integration point between a talent management module and global HR module because this particular position might be used in ORC. At that time, it is an integration point between a global HR, talent management, and ORC. But right now, we are not discussing or not talking about ORC because it is not in our scope right now. But what is in our scope at this point of time? We are discussing position profiles that comes from a talent management, and we are associating that position profile to the position. Positions are one of the important core workforce structure of the global HR model. Okay. And position profile is one of the important topic or important concept in talent management module. So we will create a position profile and we can associate that position profile while creating the position, or while creating the position itself on the fly, we can create a position profile. Yesterday we have seen on the fly while creating a position profile we have created a position profile. But before that itself, we can create a position profile, and while creating a position, we can associate that existing position profile also. So that's why it is an integration point between, at this point of time, global HR and talent management module. Okay. So what else?
Position code generation, automatic.
Position code generation method. So what are the different things available here?
Yesterday we have seen like manual, automatic.
Manual, then
Automatic, same prior to submission.
automatic
Upon
prior to submission,
automation upon prior save.
final save. That one word will
Final
make
prior.
you either break you. One word will make you or it will break you.
Correct.
Automatic upon final save is actually the professional will use. Automatic prayer save, people who learns that will use. That either it will make you or break you. The concept, what you are saying is exactly correct. The concept wise it is correct. But that word, if you not use that final, automatic upon final, say if you are not using means they will capture, okay, this person has not done that work. Either it will make you or break you. Just that's what, very, very careful. Yeah, in terms of other people, you are way ahead of Deepika. But while you are learning, ensure you are doing the concrete work.
Yeah,
okay.
got it. Yes.
It's very good because position code generation method, nobody even remember that one also. You have told that one. Okay, very good. The same time you have said the two things correct. And the one final thing, automatic upon final thing. These three things are common for person number generation method also.
Got you. Yeah, I was using just general term there, but we have to use
exact
keyword.
term.
Yeah, exact keyword. Yeah, got it.
Correct.
Yeah, I'll note it.
So these are the important points. Okay, how many points have discussed, recollected here? Business units are mandatory for creating a position. Business unit is mandatory for creating a position. Position is a specific instance of a job in a particular business unit which inherits all the job features like description, qualifications, degrees, awards. These are different features that will be inherited from the job. Okay. Department, job, full-time, equivalent, headcount, hiring status are mandatory. Okay, these are the important mandatory fields. Obviously, budgeting and approvals, position controlling via incumbent, position synchronization. So this is one of the important concept, particularly position synchronization. Okay, I want to write it this as a separate thing. Multiple positions in a particular given business. Yes, there is a scope for multiple positions in a particular given business. Location, grade, and other attributes like they call working hours.
Manager.
Okay. Full-time, part-time. Okay. Assignment category. These are the different optional fields up there. You have to remember. Okay. While hiring an employee, positions are tightly coupled with the business unit. If you are searching for one position which is not there in the particular business unit, we cannot able to hire a particular employee for the particular position. First of all, if you want to hire an employee for a particular position, you have to create that position in the particular business unit. That's why positions are tightly coupled with business units. Okay. We will associate a position profile to position. And this is an integration point between talent management module and global HR module. Position code generation method. So while you create a position, automatically based upon the settings, position code will get generated. With that, we can search the position. What is the importance of position code? With the particular position code, you can search the positions. Either you can do it, give it manually, or if you set that prior to submission, automatically the position code will get generated. Or if you set it as automatic upon final save, once that position got approved, then only the position code will get generated. So these are the three important settings in position code generation method. Okay, where we will do this position code generation method?
Manage enterprise HCM information task.
Manage enterprise HCM information. Okay. Manage enterprise HCM information. In this manage enterprise HCM information, we need to go to, in order to update this code, need to go to manage enterprise HCM information task, and that we have to go and change the settings. So either manual or automatic prior to submission or automatic upon final save. Based upon the settings here, the position code will get generated.
But so the even person number generation method also it's the same, right? So
Yeah.
position code.
Yeah, same only. Is there any, suppose this is the best approach. That's why earlier we don't have this kind of approach. Only automatically position code was generated. But later what they have improvised is, they have improvised the person number concept, because person number concept is unique, same as a position. And the person number concept got successfully implemented and accepted for the larger audience. So they have implemented the same structure for position. Positions are unique. Positions are very important. Positions are budgeted. Positions are tightly coupled like a person number. Positions are very tightly coupled across the enterprise, not across at a legal entity level. When you are creating a position code, it is creating at the enterprise level, not at the legal entity level. That's why they have followed this approach, like person number. Person number will be created at enterprise level or legal entity level.
Enterprise level.
Enterprise level, same as
Okay, sir.
each position is unique in the complete enterprise. That's why they are following the same concept of person number.